our Shyama Prasad Mukherjee port team has come here. Myself, I am Chairman Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Port Trust. I am Vineet Kumar. Our Deputy Chairman, Mr. Samrat Rahi, and all our full team is here. आप हिंदी इंग्लिश दोनों चलेगा आपको आइदर वे. सो आज का जो हमारा ये एक इवेंट एसोचैन के साथ हमने किया है, दिस इज़ अबाउट इमर्जिंग नॉर्थ ईस्ट में. जैसा आप जानते हैं जितना ग्रोथ हो रहा है उसको सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरत आज है कनेक्टिविटी की और लॉजिस्टिक्स कॉस्ट को कम करने की और कनेक्टिविटी को इम्प्रूव करने की. ऑलरेडी हमारे पोर्ट से नॉर्थ ईस्ट कनेक्टेड है बाय रेल एंड रोड. जो अमीनगांव ICD है वहाँ से हर साल करीब 7,000 कंटेनर्स वहाँ जाते हैं चाय के. वहाँ से एक्सपोर्ट इंपोर्ट होता है. कोयला वहाँ से आता है. एडिबल ऑयल जो आपका खाने का तेल होता है वो हमारे यहाँ से पोर्ट से आता है. और बहुत सारी चीज़ें आती हैं क्योंकि 5 से 7 लाख टन कार्गो हर साल हमारे पोर्ट से यहाँ आता है और जाता है. पर ये जो जितना पोटेंशियल है उससे बहुत कम है अगर आप देखेंगे. और ये भी जो आता है रेल और रोड के रास्ते आता है. बट जो मैक्सिमम इफ यू सी वेरियस मोड्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, road is the costliest, then is rail, and then is waterways. Now, before 1960, lot of goods used to go from here on waterways. Tea used to go on waterways from via Brahmaputra river and via Bangladesh to Calcutta, and then on return leg it used to bring coal. Lot of coal used to come. So there was hundreds of barges were moving between these two places. Why? Because this was the cheapest mode of transportation. Somewhere after 1960, this got discontinued. Maybe because the Bangladesh came into being, it became a different country. But our government, the present government, when it came in 2014, we signed a protocol with Bangladesh that is called Indo-Bangladesh Protocol Route. And in that, under that protocol, both the countries help each other and provide navigation to their vessels of each other country. So now our vessels and ships or barges can come from Brahmaputra and from Bangladesh and come here. Another why we feel that this is very doable is because of the simple reason that from Calcutta port every year we are sending like 33 lakh tons of cargo to Bangladesh, and that is all going by river route. If you see from Calcutta to Pandu, that is Guwahati, the distance is around 1300 kilometers. Out of that, and if we go to Bangladesh, it is around 900 kilometers. 33 lakh tons of cargo is going to Bangladesh, and when we are hardly getting any return cargo from them. So this 33 lakh tons includes fly ash, it includes coal, it includes food grains, it includes cotton grains, it includes everything. So when it can go to Bangladesh for 900 kilometers and it is viable, why it cannot come to Pandu? So there was some bottlenecks at the border area. There was issue of dredging, which the government of India gave the grant to the government of Bangladesh, and that dredging is being done for the last 6 months. The dredging is being done by Indian Waterway Authority of India, which is our sister organization under Ministry of Port Shipping and Waterways. And now there are good depths available. And very recently, our Honorable Minister Shri Sarvanand Sonowal ji, who belongs to Assam and is ex-Chief Minister, he gave us a very clear vision that the Calcutta port is the only port where you have both sea as well as connectivity to the river. He said you have to harness the power of sea and river to connect northeast with the rest of the world, not only within the other parts of India but rest of the world, because we are an exim port. From our port, goods go all over the world, to all America, Europe, everywhere. Products like coal, vegetable oil, everything is coming in and also going out. Exports are going all over the world from there. So he said you have that export and import potential at your port, and you connect it with Northeast with the help of the Indian Waterways, and this should be a game changer for the northeastern part of the country, and we should revive what used to happen in the olden times. So that is why all of us are here. My team has come 2 days in advance. They have visited the Pandu port. And in line with that, our Honorable Minister held a stakeholder meetings early in January, on 2nd January in fact, in Calcutta, and he requested all the stakeholders who are there, business, to use the inland waterways and do it at a trial purpose. I am very happy to inform that Tata Steel, they came forward, and a few days ago, 1800 tons of steel has been loaded from our Haldia port, and it is on way to Pandu port. It will be reaching, I think, in a couple of days to Pandu. It is coming in 2 barges. Another 240 tons of food grain is coming from Patna. So all these 3 barges are coming. I am very happy to inform you that they already reached Chilmari. So they have already crossed, whatever was the problematic section which we used to think will create some problem. They have already covered it, and now they are on, almost reaching Pandu. So this will be a game changer. Yesterday night I had a meeting with all the big industrialists here who are in cement, who are in coal. I was very happy to inform you that they are very, very positive about this. There are a lot of coal is coming. Likewise, steel can come here, cement can come here, limestone reserves are there in the northeast which can be taken back to cement manufacturing in Calcutta and other parts. So there is a lot of potential. We had a very good meeting with all the business heads yesterday, and I am very hopeful that we will work on this plan, and this connectivity initiative which is being driven by the Look-East policy of the Government of India, and given a fillip and thrust by our honorable minister Sonewal साहब कि इसको बोल रहे हैं, उनका कहना है कि इसको आप आगे चलाइए और IWI के साथ मिलके, असम सरकार के साथ मिलके एक वायबल और सस्ता माध्यम गुड्स को ट्रांसफर करने का यहाँ से टू दी अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ इंडिया and also via to other parts of the world. We should utilize the joint power of Brahmaputra and Ganga. So we are situated on Ganga, and here it is Brahmaputra. So the joint power of Brahmaputra and Ganga we utilized for providing cost-effective solution for the transportation of goods to and from. That is what I have to say. Do you have any questions?